In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule and organize a meeting using Microsoft Teams on the web. Whether you're a seasoned professional or new to Microsoft Teams, this guide will walk you through creating an effective and efficient meeting plan from start to finish. First things first, let's get started by opening Microsoft Teams on your web browser. Head over to teams.microsoft.com, where you'll find the familiar interface we're going to work with today. You'll need to sign in using your Microsoft account credentials. If you haven't already created one, you'll need to do so to proceed. This account ensures that all your meetings and communications are synced across devices and easily accessible whenever you need them. Once you're signed in, you're ready to navigate to our next step. Now, direct your attention to the left-hand menu on your Teams homepage and click on the calendar icon. The calendar feature is your main hub for scheduling and managing meetings. It's efficient, centralized, and keeps everything organized in one place. Once you've clicked on Calendar, you'll see an option that says Plus New Meeting. Go ahead and click that to start the process of setting up your meeting. Now comes the important part, filling in the meeting details. This is your opportunity to ensure that your meeting is both informative and comprehensive for all participants. Start by giving your meeting a clear and descriptive title. Think of something specific like Weekly Project Sync, so attendees know exactly what to expect. Next, you'll need to add the required attendees by typing in their email addresses. As you do this, they'll automatically receive an invitation to join in their inbox, making it easy for them to add it to their own calendars. Moving on to scheduling, make sure you set the correct date, time, and time zone to avoid any confusion. If this is going to be a recurring meeting, Teams also gives you the option to choose a repeat pattern, ensuring that the meeting appears on everyone's calendar at regular intervals. Don't forget to fill in the description box. Here you can add the meeting agenda, links to documents, or any instructions that will help guide the meeting. If you want the meeting to be visible within a specific Teams channel, you have the option to add that as well. Including these details not only sets expectations, but also makes sure everyone is prepared and on the same page. After you've completed these details, it's time to finalize everything by sending out the invitations. Simply click on the Save button, and immediately an email with a Join Microsoft Teams meeting link will be sent to all participants. This link is their gateway to joining the meeting from anywhere, whether they're using a desktop, laptop, or mobile device. And there you have it. You've successfully scheduled a meeting in Microsoft Teams on the web. Following these steps will help you organize meetings that are productive, clear, and beneficial for everyone involved. Thanks for joining me today, and stay organized out there.